Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new, I'm so glad you're here. Today, I'm organizing my entire kitchen. Yes, it's small, yes, it's old, and yes, it's outdated, but that doesn't mean it can't be cute and organized. We don't have a pantry either, so I really had to get creative to maximize the space. If you're going to organize your kitchen, I suggest you do this before you go grocery shopping because it's going to make the process go a lot faster and feel less overwhelming. Trust me. I got into every drawer and every cabinet, and I am so in love with the way my kitchen now looks and feels. And almost everything I used to organize my kitchen came from Dollar Tree, which just goes to show you that you don't have to spend a ton of money or stress getting organized, you guys. Just take it one cabinet at a time. So let's do this.
I used to think I had plenty of dreams and light in my life. Still my glass was half empty. But you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. My glass was always half empty, but now you're in my life. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out. We have come all this way.
The thing that I hate most about these countertops, you guys, is that they stain so easily. I'm talking everything from Kool-Aid, juice, you name it. So the only thing that I know to do is spray bleach on it and let it sit for a few minutes. I wipe it up and the stain will lift. But if you guys have any suggestions for me, please drop them in the comments below.
Now my life's an adventure, and you're the reason why. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out. Far away from the city lights. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out.
This cabinet that I'm emptying out now is my dinner cabinet. It's where I keep my spices, some sides, noodles, condiments. And when I was emptying it, I found a lot of stuff that was either expired or that was empty. So it is good to declutter your cabinet like this often, especially when you're in between grocery trips. That way you can take inventory of what you have and get rid of anything that you don't need. spice rack alone made a huge difference in this cabinet. Now it's so much easier for me to see what I need to grab to season our food. This was the one item that I did not get from Dollar Tree. It came from Amazon, so I will link that in the description box below.
To settle down, day nights and late nights don't get around, but there's something about you I like, you're crazy for saying I should slow down.
There were two things I was really excited about creating here for my drawers. One, I wanted to organize my cleaning cloths, and second, I wanted to create a drawer for my kids for their dishes and utensils. I do like to cut my sponges in half so that way I will throw them out sooner.
To settle down, there'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town, but there's something about you I like, I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you, if only you knew
Like many moms, I like to collect grocery bags and don't know where to store them, so I decided to stuff them inside of this airtight container from Dollar Tree, and it worked.
Nobody loves me better. Drunk and too scared and lie to you, if only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious, nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you, if only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say
It's been a while since I've decluttered our cups, so right now I'm just getting rid of duplicates and any cups that we don't use. I didn't really do too much organizing here. My husband does just throw our pots and pans in this cabinet and it irks me so bad. So all I really did was just make them look neater.
You wanna stay or you wanna go? Babe, I can't handle this anymore. I'm up at the break. Whatever done, what have I done? If I'm not the one, I'm not the one. Your feet, my feet on solid ground. Can't lose you, babe. I don't know how we ended up like this.
I also grabbed a brand new slow cooker from Amazon. It's going to replace that smaller one that you see that's already on my counter. We needed something bigger considering that we are a family of 6, and I love that this one is programmable. I literally just set it and forget it.
Now can we try again? 'Cause
Hands down, decluttering the top of my fridge overwhelmed me the most. It's just been collecting dust and clutter for I don't know how long, so I kept putting it off because I didn't want to deal with it. And it was filthy, you guys. When it comes to decluttering, most people say you should start with the most daunting task first, but I actually didn't. I worked my way around the kitchen, got some momentum, and saved the worst for last because by the time I got to the fridge, I had come too far to stop organizing now.
oh yeah, I don't know how we ended up like this. Can we try again? 'Cause I won't if you won't. So tell me, can we try again?
Thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my next video.